on the latest knowledge in the field. It also provides a context for the study, allowing the researcher to see how their work fits into the larger picture of the field. What are the steps involved in conducting a literature review? The steps involved in conducting a literature review include defining the research question, identifying relevant sources, evaluating the quality of the sources, synthesizing the information, and organizing and presenting the findings. What are the benefits of conducting a thorough literature review? The benefits of conducting a thorough literature review include gaining a comprehensive understanding of the current state of knowledge in the field, identifying gaps in the existing research, establishing the need for further investigation, and providing a basis for informed decision-making in the design and conduct of the study. In conclusion, a literature review is a critical component of the research process. By providing an overview of the current state of knowledge and identifying gaps in the existing research, it helps to ensure that the study is well informed and based on the latest knowledge in the field.